Tips to enhance your mobile phone battery's lifespan. Although your phone probably has inbuilt safety mechanisms to protect its battery, taking a cautious approach will make it last even longer. Here are some ways to protect your phone's battery. Install the latest software updates to keep your phone up to date with the manufacturer's battery efficiency enhancements. Use original or certified power chargers, as the power delivery, amps, volts and watts in off-market chargers can differ and may not meet the required safety standards. Avoid exposing your phone to high temperatures. Apple and Samsung say their phones work best at 0 to 35 ambient temperatures. Limit your charging to 80% of the full capacity and don't let it dip below 20%. Don't leave your phone charging for an extended period, such as overnight, and disconnect it from the power source if the battery reaches 100%. Keep your phone in a well-ventilated area while it's charging and avoid placing it or the charger under a blanket, pillow or your body while it's connected to a power source. Monitor your battery health and use to identify unusual trends, such as taking an excessive time to charge or rapid draining. If you notice your phone is heating up excessively or has a bulging or swollen back, get an authorized service center to check and repair it. If you want specific details about your particular phone and battery, the best option is to follow the manufacturer's guidelines.